Come on friends, let's subscribe. Subscribed? Thank you. Today we are going to revise questions which will come in coming online examination. Please revise again and again. Let's start. Question number 201. Which bearing loading is at right angles to the bearing axis? Answer B. Journal bearing. 202. Which type of bearing has provision for wear adjustment? Answer A. Adjustable slide bearing. 203. What is the type of key? Answer C. Woodruff key. 204. Which part of ball bearing do not rotate along the bearing assembly? Answer C. Outer race. 205. Why extra clearance is provided between bearing and journal in the aluminum alloy bearing? Answer D. To overcome high thermal expansion. 206. How bunching up of rolling elements avoided in the bearing assembly? Answer A. By case. 207. What is the angle of deviations provided on elbows and bends in pipe works? Answer A. 90 degree and 45 degree. 208. How the water flow is stopped from the wall around the stepping box? Answer D. Packing with asbestos hem. 209. What is the position of eccentric reducer are used in pipelines? Answer D. Horizontal position. 210. What is the remedial measure to stop the dripping of water from household tap even after firmly closed? Answer B. Repair washer. 211. How pipes are classified? Answer D. Material. 212. What is the name of the pipe fitting? Answer A. 45 degree elbow. 213. What is the name of the pipe fitting? Answer C. Reducer T-joint. 214. What is the name of the pipe fitting? Answer C. Eccentric reducer. 215. Which standard pipe fitting is used to close a pipeline having internal thread? Answer A. Plug. 216. Which type of wrench is used for more than 50 millimeter diameter pipe to tight with heavy gripping? Answer C. Chain pipe wrench. 217. What is the name of the part marked as X in the pipe joint? Answer hemp packing. 218. What is the name of the part marked as X? Answer shaft or spindle. D. 219. What is the remedy if the spindle rotates continuously so that the gate valve is not closed? Answer C. Replace the worn out part. 220. Which type of pipe joint take branch at 90 degree? Answer B. T branch. 221. What is the name of the plumber tool to assemble or dismantle pipes of 50 mm to 150 mm diameter? Answer B. Chain pipe wrench. 222. What is the name of pipeline symbol? Answer D. Reducer. Concentric. 223. What is the type of visual pipe inspection at 30-degree angle between the plane of vision and surface? Answer A. Direct visual testing. 224. Where concentric reducer is used in pipeline? Answer A. Vertical. Question number 225. What is the name of part marked as X in water tank? Answer D. Valve seat. 226. Which valve is used to permit fluid flow in one direction only? Answer C. Non-return valve. 227. Which type of wrench is used on finished tubular surface? Answer A. Strap wrench. 228. What is the name of part marked as X? Answer A. Cutter wheel. 229. What is the capacity of the pipe hoist to hold pipe's diameter in mm? Answer C. 63 millimeter. 230. What is the type of wrench? Answer B. Strap wrench. 231. What is the minimum diameter of pipe used with chain wrench? Answer B. 50 millimeter. 232. What is the range of external pipe threads cut by pipe dies? Answer B. 1/4 inch to 4 inch. 233. What is the part marked as X? Answer D. Adjusting nut. 234. Which pipe fitting is used to divert the flow direction of pipe? Answer C. Elbow. 235. What is the pipe fitting of 90-degree and its branches may be equal in diameter? Answer A. T-joint. 236. What is the pipe fitting? Answer C. Cap. 237. What is the pipe fitting? Answer D. Reducer. 238. Which valve is used to control flow and is only kept in either open or closed position? Answer A. Gate valve. 239. Where universal coupling is used? Answer A. Automobile vehicles. Question number 240. Which type of coupling is used on vehicle propeller shaft? Answer D. Universal coupling. 241. What is the radius size for long radius elbow? Answer B. 1.5 times bore of the pipe. 242. What is the radius size for the short radius elbow? Answer B. Equal to bore of the pipe. 243. Which is used to divert at 45-degree in pipeline? Answer A. Elbow. 244. Which standard pipe fitting is used for joining pipeline of different diameter? Answer C. Reducer. 245. What type of fitting is used in straight pipeline to connect two pipes of external threads? Answer B. Coupling. 246. What is the cause of water dripping from the tap even after closed? Answer A. Defective washer. 247. What causes loud noise in the tap if turned on? Answer D. Valve loose on spindle. Thank you for watching. full video. Please like, share and subscribe.